Bum 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 bum. Bum 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 bum. Hello, everybody, and welcome to a new video. So, in today, I'm struggling. Yeah, but today, okay, so plan for today. We are going to be participating in RossDraws' Draw This in Your Style challenge, which is due in 8 days on the 20th of this October, and it's currently the 12th. So, I think we need to get started like now. So basically how it works is RossDraws provided the line art that we have to then finish in our styles. So at least step one's done. But yeah, we have a lot of work to do because I have a lot of ideas. And yeah, not too much time. So let's get straight into it like right now. All right, so I will see y'all in a little bit, hopefully with some progress done. Okay, so we got flat colors done. We got a semblance of a background. I'm honestly not entirely sure what I'm going to do for the background. We'll work on that as we go. We have the shading key made in the bottom left corner. That's just gonna give me an idea of kind of like how we're gonna do the lighting. And yeah, I guess we're just gonna go from here and see what happens. I really hope this turns out good. So let's get back into it and check in again soon. far. I am liking it. Yeah, we've done a lot, but also not a lot so far. Like Neem is kind of lacking at the moment, but I am really liking how Faye is looking, especially the face. Did not mean to take the face as far as I did, but you know what? I did, so we're gonna stand by it. The cloak needs some work. I think a lot of it will just be tied together once I actually add the light, but I am liking it so far. I think next up is definitely working on Nima, getting her to the same place as Faye, and then I'm gonna try and tackle the background, which is not gonna be fun. Or it will, we'll find out. But yeah, let's get back into it. this is actually coming along a lot better than I was expecting, if I'm being honest. Like I don't know, I'm kind of loving it, especially like the background. The background I thought I was going to just despise no matter what I did, but I'm kind of liking it, which is really, really, really cool. But then also honestly, just look at the pants. I'm kind of really, really proud of the pants. So yeah, it's kind of, I don't know, I'm kind of loving this. I need to finish Nima's eyes. I kept forgetting to go in and actually, like, I don't know, render or color the eyes. Very much like loving the cloak now. There's a few things that could be touched up. Faye's hair's looking cool. Nima's hair's looking cool. Could be do a few more things with her hair. But yeah, overall, I'm quite enjoying this. It's kind of fun, you know, working with someone else's line art instead of mine, and just kind of trying to incorporate their look with my kind of like shading coloring process. So this is a lot of fun, and yeah, we're getting there. Still have a lot of work left to do. Like I think next is obviously going to be finishing like Nima's eyes, doing some touch-ups, and then we need to add in Faye's magic. We need to add in probably a couple foreground elements, and then just do the rest of the like lighting, because there's quite a bit I need to do to finish tying the characters into the background and making it look like they truly belong here, instead of just, you know, paste it in front of this. So yeah, okay, that's let's just get right back into it, shall we? And yeah, let's do it. honestly, I think I'm ready to call this done. I'm honestly so freaking happy with it. It looks so cool. I kind of surprised myself with this one. It's the most I've pushed myself with something in a while. So this is kind of cool. So I'm going to go through and do the final touches, and then honestly, video over. Thank y'all for watching. If you liked it, please leave a like and subscribe. And enjoy the rest of the video.